In this lecture, we are going to study monoatomic cubic crystals. And you know that for cubic crystals, there are three Bravais lattices, namely simple cubic, body center cubic, and face center cubic. We have to draw these unit cells and characterize each one. So let's start with simple cubic. Before you start characterizing it, the diagram is must. This is the cube, and let me show the atoms. We are studying monoatomic crystals. So at each corner there is one atom. 8 corners are there, and at each corner there is one atom. So this is the unit cell of simple cubic, and now we have to characterize it. As I said, this one is simple cubic monoatomic structure. Type of unit cell, you know there are two types, primitive and non-primitive. This one is primitive unit cell. Then we have to find effective atoms per unit cell. Effective number of atoms per unit cell. And in this case, every corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells. So its contribution to a particular unit cell is 1 by 8. To make that idea clear, I am showing here three-dimensional view of the cubic crystal, and as you can see in this diagram there are 8 unit cells. This is the first unit cell which I have highlighted with color, different color. This is second unit cell, third unit cell, and fourth unit cell. Then at bottom there are 5. There are 4 unit cells. This is the fifth one. This is the sixth, 7, and 8. So 8 unit cells are shown over here, and we will consider this atom. This atom, as you can see here, is shared by all these unit cells. So its contribution to the unit cell is 1 by 8, and such 8 unit cells are there, 8 corner atoms are there. Contribution of each one is 1 by 8 into 8, that is equals to 1. So effective number of atoms per unit cell for a simple cubic is 1 atom. Then we have to find coordination number. Coordination number is nothing but number of equidistant nearest neighbor. Generally denoted by triple N, that is number of equidistant nearest neighbors. In this case, it is 6. Coordination number for simple cubic is 6. How 6? Let me show that in this diagram. The same atom we're going to consider here. This is the atom we are considering. And as you can see, in the same plane, this is the nearest one, which is at distance A. This is also nearest one, which is at distance A. This one and this, both are at distance A. So in the same plane, there are four nearest neighbors. Then immediately above it, another atom at distance A, and this is also at distance A because this is cubic system. All sides are A. So one in above plane and one in below plane. That's how coordination number is 6. Then we have to find where the atoms would contact each other. All atoms are of same size, and you know that atoms arrange themselves as near as possible with others to reduce the potential energy so that the structure will be more stable. And these atoms is a monoatomic simple cubic unit cell. They all are of the same size. So they will be in contact with each other along the edge. Atoms in contact along edge. To show that, let me insert a diagram for that. As you can see here, that these atoms are in contact with each other along the edge. This is the front surface, center of atoms. And so along the edge, they are in contact with each other. That means A is equals to twice the radius of atom. This is lattice constant. And so R is equals to A by 2, which is atomic radius. We are finding lattice constant in terms of atomic radius and atomic radius in terms of lattice constant. Next characteristic is packing factor. Packing factor is nothing but ratio of volume of effective number of atoms in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. So packing factor is volume of effective atoms in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. In this case, effective atom is 1, and we are assuming that atoms are spherical in shape. So 1 into volume of the sphere, which is 4 by 3 pi r cube, is the volume of the sphere. Atom is sphere. And divided by a cube, volume of unit cell is a cube. But a is equals to 2r, so it is 2r cube. After simplification, we get pi by 6, and that is 0.524. So this fraction of the volume of unit cell is occupied by atoms. That is packing fraction. Then packing efficiency is packing factor into 100. Packing factor into 100, that is equals to 0.524 into 100, that is 52.4%, which is packing efficiency. It means that only 52.4% of volume is of unit cell is occupied by atoms. Rest is void. Then the example for this is polonium at room temperature. Polonium at room temperature is having this simple cubic structure. Okay, the next Bevis lattice is body center cubic. And as I said earlier, first what we have to do is draw a unit cell for body center cubic. So this is the cube, and in case of body center cubic, there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners and 1 atom at body center. This is the body center atom. So this is the unit cell. Now we have to characterize this unit cell. So this is a Bravais lattices of BCC monoatomic, body center cubic monoatomic. Then type of unit cell is obviously what is it? It is a non-primitive. Then we have to find effective atoms per unit cell. Now in this unit cell there are 8 corner atoms. Contribution of each corner atom is 1 by 8 to any unit cell. Total there are 8 corners, so 1 by 8 into 8, plus there is 1 atom at the body center, and this atom is not shared with any other unit cell. So its contribution to this unit cell is complete, whole atom. So that is 1. And we get 2. So effective atoms per unit cell is 2. You know what is the non-primitive unit cell? In case of non-primitive unit cell, effective atoms per unit cell should be more than 1, and atoms should be located at corners as well as inside or on the surfaces. In this case, atom is located at corners as well as inside the unit cell. So that unit cell is non-primitive unit cell. And we got effective atoms per unit cell is 2. Then the coordination number. Coordination number. In this case, coordination number is 8. If you consider the central atom, so all these corner atoms are nearest atoms. And if you consider the corner atom, you know that this every corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells, and so every corner atom is surrounded by 8 body center atoms. So the coordination number is again 8. You consider any atom here, the coordination number is fixed, and that is 8. Now in this case, as I said, all it is a monoatomic crystal, all atoms have the same size, and one atom is sitting at the center of the unit cell. So atoms will not touch each other along the edge. Atoms will touch each other along the body diagonal. Suppose this is the body diagonal 1. You can draw 8 body diagonals. This is the second body diagonal. This is the third body diagonal, and this one is fourth body diagonal. So along the body diagonal, these atoms are in contact with each other. So in this case, atoms in contact, atoms in contact along body diagonal. And you know that body diagonal, if you want to calculate that, this side is A, this is A. And if you draw this is the phase diagonal. This angle is 90 degree. And so the phase diagonal is equals to root 2a. This is equals to root 2a. Now this 2 root 2a and this edge again form a right angle triangle. One side is root 2a, another side is a, and so this body diagonal is equals to root 3a. So in this case, body diagonal is equals to root 3a, and these three atoms, are in contact with each other along the body diagonal. So root 3a is equals to 4r. From this we get the lattice constant. A is equals to 4r upon root 3, and for r is equals to root 3a by 4, that is atomic radius. Then let's go to the next, that is the packing factor. Let us find packing factor for this. In this case, there are two atoms per unit cell. So, volume of two atoms divided by volume of unit cell. So, volume of two atoms is 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by volume of unit cell is a cube, but a is this, and so divided by 4r by root 3 bracket cube, and if you simplify this you get 0.68 packing factor, and so the packing efficiency is packing factor into 100, that is 68%. So 68% volume of this unit cell is occupied by atoms and the rest is void. If you compare with simple cubic, you can say that BCC is more closely packed than simple cubic. Some examples are lithium, sodium. There are many examples: potassium, chromium, barium, vanadium, alpha iron, and tungsten. These are few examples of BCC. And we will go to the last Bravais lattices. Bravais lattices of simple of a cubic crystal, which is face centered cubic. So first diagram of the unit cell. This is the cube, and in case of FCC, there are 8 corner atoms and 6 face center atoms. These are the 8 corners, face center of the bottom surface, face center of top surface, of side surface, this is of front surface, and this is of back surface. So this is the unit cell of FCC monoatomic. So Bravais lattice is FCC monoatomic. Unit cell type non-primitive. Then effective atoms per unit cell. Now see, there are 8 corners atoms. You know that contribution of each corner is 1 by 8, total 8. So 1 by 8, 8 into 8. Plus, there are 6 face center atoms. Every face here is shared with 2 unit cells. So every face center atom is shared with 2 unit cells. So its contribution to the unit cell is half, total 6 face center atoms, and that is equals to 4. So effective number of atoms per unit cell is equals to 4. Then let's find the coordination number. Coordination number in this case is 12. Now to find out how come it is 12, I will show you the 2 unit cells diagram. In this case, as you can see, there are 2 unit cells, one above the other. And to find, the coordination number, let us consider this atom, which is common to both the unit cells. These atoms are in contact with each other along the phase diagonal. So you can see the nearest neighbors in the same plane. These are the 4 atoms which are nearest neighbors in the same plane. Now in this case, all the sides are A. This is A, this is A, this is A. And so these face center atoms which are in the lower plane, they are also nearest neighbors. So there are 4 in the bottom plane. And similarly, these 4 in the upper plane. Actually, they are very close to be in contact with each other. So 4 atoms are in same plane, 4 in above plane, and 4 in below plane. And so the coordination number is 12. Then in this case, atoms are in contact with each other along the body diagonal. Atoms are in contact with each other along the body diagonal. Sorry, along the phase diagonal. Because they are all of the same size. To show that, I will show you one more diagram for that. So these red color atoms are phase center atoms, and gray atoms are corner atoms. And as you can see here, they are in contact with each other along the phase diagonal. This one is phase diagonal. This is also phase diagonal. This is a front surface. This is front surface. And you know that the phase diagonal is equals to root 2a, because this is a, this is a, and so this one is root 2a. And that root 2a is equals to 4r. From the diagram you can see clearly that root 2a is equals to 4r. Therefore a is equals to 4r by root 2, lattice constant, and r is equals to root 2a by 4, atomic radius. Then we will find packing factor of this. Packing factor in this case, effective number of atoms are 4. So volume of 4 atoms divided by volume of unit cell. So it is 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by volume of unit cell, which is a cube, but a is 4r by root 2. So this is 4r by root 2 cube. If you simplify it, you get 0.74 packing factor. So 0.74 is the packing fraction. That fraction is occupied by atoms in the unit cell, and so packing efficiency is equals to 74%. So 74% volume of the unit cell is occupied by atoms, and the remaining is wide. So if you compare the packing of this monoatomic cubic crystals, then packing of BCC is more than simple cubic, FCC is more than that of BCC and SC. So FCC is more closely packed than BCC and SC, and BCC is more closely packed than SC. So some examples of FCC monoatomic crystals. There are several. I will write some of them here. Some noble metals like copper, silver, gold, and some rare gases like neon if they form a solid, argon, krypton, and xenon if form solid. So these are the few examples of FCC monoatomic crystals.